Claim, is Modi government turning train tracks into power plants with solar panels? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. A viral post has taken the Indian media landscape by storm, claiming that the Modi government is converting railway tracks into power plants using removable solar panels. The post suggests that no trains will be halted during the process and Indian startup Sunways is driving this innovation. The post reads, Unbeatable India #GoGreen #Imikanger PM @Narendra Modi government is turning train tracks into power plants without halting a single train. India startup Sunways is deploying removable solar panels directly between railway tracks and clean energy keeps flowing. @PMO India. Another LinkedIn user shared the same image as seen below. Find the post link here. Fact check. Truth, false. The innovation is by a startup called Sunways from Switzerland. Fact check details. When Digiti India took keyframes and checked them on Google reverse image search, the results revealed that the image is actually from Switzerland, where a startup called Sunways, founded in 2021, is driving this project. Greater Geneva Bern area was among the first to report this innovation back in 2024 in their article here. Here is an image from the article below. NDTV in April 2025 also reported how Sunways have placed as many as 48 solar panels on a 100-meter portion of railway tracks in Buttes, a small village in western Switzerland. Find the link to the article here. The Euronews too has echoed this in their article, mentioning how Sunways is the first to patent a removable system with the help of EFL, the Swiss Federal Technology Institute in Lausanne. It thus proves that Sunways is indeed a Swiss startup and not an Indian startup as claimed in that viral post. Moreover, there is no such announcement by the official Indian Railways government on this matter so far. While there are plans to boost clean energy flow throughout the country, as of now there is no such information related to using solar panels between railway tracks. The image has clearly been altered to spread fake news, suggesting a misrepresented edit by users. Hence, the claim is false. Claim, the Modi government is turning train tracks into power plants by installing solar panels in between them. Conclusion, false. The innovation is by a startup called Sunways from Switzerland. Rating, misrepresentation. The claim is false. Thank you for visiting us, Digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digiti India.